Alright crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So as you guys know, the last couple of weeks we've been working on this 1977 Hondamatic. Last week we just got through putting the gas tank in primer, did some body work to it, getting it ready for paint. So today we'll be working with the side covers. We're going to be getting these ready for paint as well. But I want you guys to stay tuned. I'm going to show you what I use to get these items, which is plastic, ready for paint. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so welcome back guys. So this should be a very quick DIY video. We're dealing with plastic here, and plastic you have to attack it a different way. But this is the items that we're going to use. You definitely need your adhesive promoter. That way something to stick. We got to kind of like gums it up. That way the paint and primer will stick to your plastic. Of course we're going to need some primer. And this is going to be, I'm going to start out with 80 grit because we're going to knock all this down best we can. That way we can do our little body work on it, because there are some chip spots on here that we can put some glazing putty on. And of course we're going to need our DA, which is our hand sander. So stay tuned guys, and we're going to get right into this video. Now that only took about 5 minutes to get all that paint off there. And now we'll go ahead and put some, go over with some glazing putty, and then we'll primer it. And we got one more like this to do. It'll only take about a quick 5 minutes. So first we'll put like a little mist on there, and then I'll put a nice heavy coat. just to tack it up. I'm not really too concerned about the back side of it, but we'll still do so. Alright guys, so while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my primer, and we'll go ahead and spray the primer. Alright guys, so we're finishing up. Just finished these. Let me see here. Best way of taking these down here. Just finished with the plastic side covers, as you see here. We'll put that adhesive promoter on there so this primer will stick. So what we'll do is next is we'll go ahead and I'm gonna let this dry overnight, of course, and then I'll come back first thing in the morning and we will go ahead and sand that down. These shouldn't be so bad as far as just doing the side covers, guys, but I just wanted to do a quick DIY video of just the plastic side covers, you know, because they are different from metal and stuff. So this is going to be it for this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos that we're doing with the 77 Hondamatic. I think you guys enjoy them. They're a little bit different videos. And it's just going with me every day, you know, in the morning, trying to get as much done as I possibly can. That's if I don't have to work the next day, guys. So I'm in here just hanging out in the garage and stuff. Of course, I got my Westerns on. Everybody love my Westerns. I'm sure you guys see them sometime in the background playing. But I just come in here and, you know, cut my TV on, and right now the guys are doing work outside as well, so let me close this door. Yeah, so they're still cutting that tree down outside. So anyway, guys, until the next video, I know I'm rambling, but until the next video, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.